Evening viewer, welcome to our Globe TV. Here's the breaking news. Yes, out in the Sahara Desert, in one of the most inhospitable environments imaginable, a natural solution to the climate crisis is growing and at a rapid rate. London-based startup Brilliant Planet has leased 6,100 hectares of land outside the remote coastal town of Akfenir in southern Morocco, which between the Atlantic Ocean to the north and the Sahara to the south, and it is using it to cultivate algae. Algae absorbs atmospheric carbon dioxide and emits oxygen via photosynthesis, and has been doing so since before the first land plants ever existed. Brilliant Planet's CEO Adam Taylor says the company has developed a way to grow algae at exponential rates, starting a beaker in a lab and ending in 12,000 square meter pools of locally sourced seawater. Taylor says the process mimics a natural algae bloom, and a test tube of algae can multiply to fill 16 of these giant pools, the equivalent of 77 Olympic-sized swimming pools in just 30 days. The algae is extracted from the water, then pumped up a 10-story tower and sprayed into the desert air. In the roughly 30 seconds it takes to reach the ground, hot air dries the biomass out, leaving hypersaline algae flakes which can be collected and salivarated, sequestering their carbon for thousands of years, the company claims. Nature-based solutions are a great way of removing carbon, Taylor told CNN, arguing that deserts are in underutilized environment. It does not cost a lot of money to rent the desert, and governments are enthusiastic to have any economic activity. He continued, "What's more, you are not competing with farms, you are not competing with forests, you are out of the way, not bothering people," he said. The UN's Climate Change Panel, the IPCC, estimates that hundreds of billions of tons of carbon dioxide would need to be removed from the atmosphere by 2100 to limit global heating to 1.5 degrees Celsius. The best way to do that is hotly debated. Many carbon capture solutions have been proposed, the most headline-grabbing being direct air capture. The technology, which has received multi-billion-dollar backing by the US Department of Energy, uses mechanics and machines with filters to scrap carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which can then be stored underground or used in materials like concrete. Yet the technology remains small scale, while its detractors say it is expensive, energy intensive and unproven. Beyond the report, Globe TV, Delhi, India.